Hello guys, I'm very excited to show you what I just bought. This is a 4K HD DVR from Annke. So now, in the kit, we will have the cameras of course and the DVR itself. Let's see. You will get your remote, the DVR itself, the guide, and some accessories. Now, let's remove the pads here and the box. Now, the DVR itself supports 8 analog cameras, as you can see here, and also 4 IP cameras. Now, at the back, this is the inputs for your analog cameras. 8 inputs here. You get the USB input, HDMI, VGA, the Ethernet, and the power. At the front, you will get another USB input. In the accessories box, you will have your mouse, your power adapter, HDMI, and Ethernet cable. So now I'm going to show you the cameras in the kit. It has 4 5-megapixel cameras. It has 4 5-megapixel cameras, high resolution, and I'll show them to you. 2, 3, and 4. Their own BNC cable, of course, and the power adapter and the adapter for 4 cameras. Now, guys, be mindful that the 4K DVR supports 3 megapixels, 5 megapixel, and 8 megapixel cameras. Now, this is a 5 megapixel camera, so just remember that. Now, in here we got the template, the screws, and we're gonna review the camera, the bullet camera itself. Let's see. The resolution in this camera is amazing. It's HD and it's able to see a card plate at about 30 feet. Now, the housing of this camera is pretty strong. It's metal. It's pretty strong, well built, nice design. It is also weatherproof. It has IP67. And one more feature that I could say about these cameras is the night vision. It's up to 100 feet. So, the accessories for the cameras. We got 4 BNC cables, 50 feet each. It would be enough for most houses and small businesses. The power adapter. We have 1 power adapter for the 4 cameras. And we have this 1 to 4 power cable. So it goes to the 4 cameras and 1 to the power adapter. Very easy to set up, no worries there. Now, we have the power adapter for the DVR, and here inside we have a 2 terabyte built-in hard disk, able to record up to 60 days worth of footage.